Wairarapa TV local news for Thursday, January 26. Tripoli Bistro in Kinapuni has again been targeted by burglars broken into in the early hours of yesterday morning. The business has been the target of several burglaries over the last few months, with the last prior to yesterday occurring on Christmas morning. Anyone with information is asked to contact Masterton Police or anonymously through Crime Stoppers. New Zealand is under the spotlight as a world-class wine producer over the next 2 weeks, with an influx of international media and wine trade arriving to attend a series of events that will showcase the country's diverse regions and wine styles. New Zealand wine growers are hosting over 90 international wine experts from around 20 countries at several events across New Zealand, including the Aromatics Symposium in Nelson and Pinot Noir New Zealand 2017 in Wellington. 18 Wairarapa wineries are involved, with options for the public to head along to the events, such as Pinot Palooza early next week. A free stop smoking service has been set up to help lower North Island communities to quit smoking, and it is now up and running. Te Kiri Mai Te Ata is a collective of 7 health, education, justice and social service providers in the Wellington region. The contract by the Ministry of Health is to deliver a smoke-free service for the Wellington, Hunt Valley, Kapiti, Porirua and Wairarapa regions, with manager Catherine Manning saying the service provides a more intensive, personalised and effective smoke-free support, working with whānau, and is available to anyone wanting to quit smoking, offering a face-to-face and service and 24-hour phone support. And finally, in sport, the Apache Jacks Wairarapa Girls Under-13 cricket team have won the inaugural tournament, batting first and scoring 105 for 3. They restricted Hawke's Bay in their 20 overs to 80 for 7. And congratulations to them. For local news and sport for Wairarapa TV, I'm Brent Gear.